Hello, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Kabaka Pyramid has announced his second album, The Call-In, which is set to be released September 30. The album features Damian Marley, Protege, Buju Banton, Tifa, Jameer Morgan, and a few others. Kabaka also announced that his album's tour will set off right after it is released. Now his US tour will begin on October 4 in Seattle and runs through to November 12 in Florida. Dancehall artist Rygin made his first performance last Friday at a Therapy album release party in Fort Lauderdale, Florida in the United States. Now, the 10-track album includes songs expressing his thought process and feelings since being shot multiple times in 2020. While performing Circumstances, one of the tracks on the album, the artist was flooded with emotions as he fought to hold back tears. Dancehall artist Ioctane and Rygin's sister comforted him on stage, as seen in this video posted on social media. Last Friday, he also released his latest music video titled Broken. Now, the song is one of those featured on the album Therapy. Rygin survived a gun attack back in June of 2020 that left him paralyzed.
I've been broken. Skies on the skies, them. Lost from the lost, them. Past from the present. Yeah, so many damages been done. I must be and mom sing so. But still me not give up. If John open a door, him fly a window.
Onto the international scene, where R&B singer and actress Halle Bailey is taking fans under the sea with her new movie role as Ariel in the Disney movie The Little Mermaid. Halle posted on her Instagram a preview showing a little of her acting skills and her great vocals for the movie, with a caption, "Can't believe it's happening." The official trailer is out and the movie is set to premiere on May 26 in 2023.
Wish I could be part of that world.
That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.